Hi students, welcome to our Evidya classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about land bridge and sea bridge. So what do you mean by land bridge and what do you mean by sea bridge? We will discuss. Okay. So first you look at students. First we will discuss about what is sea bridge. Okay. In area near the coast or there is a land bridge and sea bridge. Land heats up the quicker than water as the sun rises in the morning and the land heats up and warm air over the land rises. The water is still cool, so cool air from the sea comes to take its place. This bridge blowing from the sea to land during daytime is called sea bridge. Okay, I will explain you that very simply, students. Just you see, it is the sea. Okay, it is sea. But it is sea. Okay, it is land part. This is land part. LA and land. Okay, when sunlight will fall on the land, what happen? Okay, here heat will be, where air will be hot. Okay, it becomes hot and the hot air always go up. Okay, it rises and go up. When the hot air go up, what happened at the same time? The sea, here air are cooler. What? Here air are cooled air is there. Okay, when this land area, when air will be hot, that hot air go up, at that time the cooled air from sea blowing towards the land. So this process is called sea bridge. Because why it is sea bridge? The air from the cooler air from the sea blowing towards the air. So that process is called sea bridge. Okay, so that is called sea bridge. Okay, and it is happen during daytime only. During daytime, student, it is very important. So sea bridge happen only the time of daytime. During daytime, during daytime, sun rises and in the morning, what happen? The land surface, this is the land surface near the sea. This is the sun. Okay, it will be too much hot. When the hot, it becomes hot, the land part, the air becomes hot. That hot air always go up because it's very lighter. So it is when will go up, what happen? That place will makes very vacuum will be means empty place. Okay, so that empty to fulfill, what happen? The from sea the cooled air blowing towards the hot land. So this process is called sea bridge. So that we will feel very cooler during daytime when we will sit on the near the sea beach. Okay, so because of sea bridge we will feel very cooler due to the sea bridge. So you can see this picture, student. The hot air here will go up and the cool air from the sea will come to the land to fill this vacuum. So this process is called sea bridge. It is happening daytime. At the same process, student, we can say what is land bridge. Land bridge is the reverse of sea bridge. Okay, land bridge is the reverse of sea bridge. What happen? It is happen night time. What? Night time. Okay, students, it happen night time. In night time, what happen? This is the sea. It is the sea. It is the land part. What? Land part. But we know that in night time land part is cool, or we can say cooled air. Cooled air is there, but in night time sea water little bit hot. So when it will the hot air will go up night time. Okay, we know that hot air becomes lighter, so it will go up. So when it will go up the air, hot air go up, what happen? It will create a vacuum or empty. So to fill that vacuum or empty place, the cooled air or cool air from the land part blowing toward the sea. Understood? So that is called land breeze, because the air, cooled air comes from the land part to the sea. So that is called land breeze. It is especially happen in night time. In night time, if you might have gone through the sea travel, you can feel the very cool because of land breeze. It is happen in night time. Okay, because the cool air from the land part, it will transfer or it will blow toward the sea. So we feel very cool in night time inside the sea or ocean. Clear, students? So some of the wind words are there, we will discuss. Air can move at different speeds. This is causes different effects. Wind, moving air; breeze, gentle wind; gale, a very strong wind; gust, a sudden strong wind; storm, a very strong wind; thunderstorm, when the storm is accompanied with the thunder and lightning. Tornado, what is tornado, students? A very strong wind that goes quickly round a circle or funnel. Okay, that is called tornado. Sometimes a very quick and very strong air goes up making a circle or funnel, that is called tornado. Okay, so now we will discuss water. Okay, what is water? The total, we all are very familiar with the word water, because in day to day life we are using water. Okay, for everything we will use water, and water is the basic needs in our human or all living kind. Okay, without water the life we cannot survive. Okay, so we will discuss about water. The total amount of water found on earth never changes. It is just moves from place to place and from one state to another in a continuous process. So it is called water cycle. Okay, so what are the some states of water we will discuss now. You can see, and if you have a refrigerator in your home, student, you might have seen the ice cube. What? Ice cube. You know ice cube, student? That is the very solid part. It is a, if you keep water for sometimes in refrigerator in ice chamber, the water becomes ice. What? Ice cube we can say, or ice, simply we can say also ice. It is the solid part. Okay, that ice, if you will remove from the ice chamber and if you will keep for sometimes in outside, it becomes melt. That means it becomes water. So ice cube becomes water, and then this water, if you will heat it with the help of gas or fire, that water becomes to vapor. What? Vapor. Okay, so water, it will changes its state one state to another. How? First we brought ice. If you keep sometimes for outside, it becomes water. After melting, what? After melting. Okay, then water, if you heat it, it becomes vapor. It becomes vapor. So the water changes its state to one form to another. Clear, students? You might have seen in your home when your mom cook some foods or heat boil water, the steam will be go up while boiling the water or cooking the food. This boiling steam is called vapor, student. Let it is a glass of water. If you will heat it with the help of gas, okay, the vapor, or that is called steam, will go up. That is called vapor. What? Vapor. So it is a one state of water. So first I said the ice cube converted to water, and water again converted to vapor. So these are the called, water can change one state to another state. Clear, student? some water words are there, we will discuss. Clouds, big mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere, usually high above the ground, that is called cloud, students. Okay, what is dew? A tiny drops of water that form on cool surface at night, especially on leaves and grass. What is frost? Tiny white ice crystal formed on the ground when it is extremely cold. Hailstones, drop of frozen water, that is called ice, which fall at times during rain shower. What is ice? Frozen water. When water will keep in freeze, when water becomes too cold, it becomes ice. Rain, drop of water which fall from the clouds when they cannot hold more water vapor. What is snow? Frozen water vapor which fall as soft, light and white flakes, that is called snow. It is the some words about water. Understood, students? So I hope all of you understood about what is sea bridge, what is land bridge and what is water. So next class, student, we will discuss about humidity. Okay, so I hope all of you clear about it, students. Any doubt you may ask me. So thank you, student. Take care.